Hi everyone. Welcome back to J Programming. In today's video, I'll show you how to compile and run a simple Java program using the command prompt. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are new to Java programming. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite text editor and write the following code. This is a simple program that prints first program to the console. The main method, which is the entry point for the Java application. The main method, which Java calls to start the program. It must be public, static, and return void, and it takes an array of string as its parameter. Save the file as person.java. Next, open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where your Java file is saved using the cd command. Then, compile the Java program using javac. If there are no errors, this will create a person.class file in the same directory. Finally, to run the compiled program, use the command java person. You should see the output first program displayed in the command prompt. And that's it. You've successfully written, compiled, and run a Java program using the command prompt. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to J Programming for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.